Here we are in the main analytical page interface. Next, we will explore the Advanced Screener and its remaining presets in detail. In Advanced Screener Part 2 we will be covering valuations, margins, dividend, income statements, trend following, and oscillators presets. The valuation uses the stock's closing price, earning per share, book value per share, and net asset value per share to determine its overall worth. Name of stock and company. Stock's closing price. Company market cap. Shows profit per share over the last 12 months. Shows the company's book value per share over the last 12 months. Represents the value of a company's assets after liabilities per share based on the past 12 months. Margins show how efficiently a company converts revenue into profit. They reflect profitability at different levels, from gross profit to net profit. Name of stock and company. Stock's closing price. GPM/TTM shows how much profit the company makes on sales before other expenses. NPM/TTM shows the company's overall profitability after all expenses and taxes. PBTM/TTM shows profit earned from operations and other activities before taxes. OPM/TTM shows how efficiently the company earns profit from its core operations. The dividend data includes the stock's closing price, dividends per share, dividend yield, and payout ratio. It helps us understand how much profit the company returns to shareholders and how sustainable those payments are. Name of stock and company. Stock's closing price. DPS/TTM shows dividends per share over the last 12 months. DPS 2019 shows dividends per share for the year 2019. DYTTM shows dividend yield, the percentage of the stock price returned as dividends over the last 12 months. Payout ratio TTM shows the portion of net profit paid to shareholders as dividends over the last 12 months. The income statement shows earnings per share, sales, and net profit (PAT) for the trailing 12 months and for 2019, providing insight into the company's recent performance and growth. Name of stock and company. EPS shows earnings per share for the trailing 12 months and for 2019. Sales shows total revenue for the trailing 12 months and for 2019. PAT shows profit after tax for the trailing 12 months and for 2019. Oscillators are technical indicators that help analyze stock price trends and momentum. They show whether a stock may be overbought or oversold and help identify potential price reversals or trading opportunities. Name of stock and company. Stock's closing price. RSI 1D 14 shows the 14-day relative strength index on a 1-day interval, indicating overbought or oversold conditions. MACD 1D 12,269 shows the moving average convergence divergence on a 1-day interval, highlighting momentum and trend changes. Stock 1D 14,330 shows the stochastic oscillator on a 1-day interval, indicating potential trend reversals. ADR 1D 14 shows the average true range over 14 days on a 1-day interval, measuring stock price volatility. CCO 1D 20 shows the commodity channel index over 20 days on a 1-day interval, highlighting overbought or oversold levels. The trend following preset helps track stock trends by displaying key technical indicators, including the 1-day, 20-day, 50-day, and 200-day simple moving averages SMA and the 1-day Bollinger Bands BB with a 20-day period, and plus or minus to standard deviations for both upper and lower bands. Here, the headings above, including simple moving averages for 1, 20, 50, and 200 days and Bollinger Bands 1 day, 20, to upper and lower provide trend information about the stock. These widely used technical indicators track trend direction and volatility. Thanks for watching a small tutorial from Pearl Securities. Please stay tuned for more videos.